excited to try new things which we got here in Tripura. Ramens from Korea. It was surprising to get this here. We didn't know these are available. We are trying here 4 new flavors.
Hot chicken flavor ramen. This hot chicken flavor ramen curry.
Hot chicken flavor ramen, but this is something else again, hochi or something. And this is very famous, kimchi.
No, this is the famous 2 times spicy noodles that everybody is challenging. Like if you can eat this thing at one go or not. It is so spicy that you cannot eat it at one go.
Yeah, there is a chicken with a very angry face. And this is kimchi ramen, which is also a very famous flavor. I don't know what is kimchi. What is kimchi?
Kimchi is that Chinese, Japanese dish that they with cabbage and oil and garlic with chili. They make a paste, and that fermented thing of cabbage they eat it with rice. You can make fried rice, have it with soup. So here in Agartala, where you don't get normal Indian stuff, still we got hold of this Korean noodles, which generally you get at a higher price in Amazon. We got it for 100-115 rupees each.
Yeah, surprisingly, I don't know how they got it here.
So
we asked them, why did you get it? But they told they imported it from somewhere else.
And we also got gochujang here as well. We will try it in the next sometime. We will make something with gochujang like soup.
Once we are full-fledgedly cooking in our kitchen.
And we love Miriam's kitchen so much, and she is using gochujang everywhere, and we are inspired to make something with that since we got hold of it here.
So for the starters, we will start with which one today?
You decide which one we should have. We will try 2 today, and 2 we will try next day.
Okay, so we have a pomfret chili ready, so that is already a spicy one.
Spicy
so
one.
we will get a lesser spicy. But
No,
all of them are. We will have this one then.
Okay.
Done.
Let's get started.
So much of fun.
So we are now in our kitchen. So we are today trying the kimchi one. Okay, cooking in directions. Put the noodles and the soup base into 550 ml of boiling water and cook for 4 minutes. For better taste, add fresh vegetables and scallions. And we also
got excited.
This is the soup thing. Yeah.
You can do that. This one has 2 things. This is hot chicken flavor ramen.
There's this one. And this is like some oily kind of stuff.
Yeah, you can put at least which it may have. That's fine.
Okay. And we have this one. This is spicy pomfret fry. It's 12:30 at night.
Why?
It's 12:30 at night and we are late for our dinner.
Should catch up with Eurocup.
We'll have this and watch Eurocup. We were supposed to put this together, but I screwed up. Right? I will
Keep it.
fully, I just want to pour an egg, so I'm reducing the... And the quantity is so much. Like this much of a bowl is completely filled. Generally does not happen in case of Maggi or Yippee noodles. woke up, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. And Ukraine 0, England 1. So we'll be trying this one first. It's so subtle.
This is young.
So subtle. Next is the chicken hot noodles.
Hot chicken noodles.
It's different from that noodles. This is more on the thicker side. How is it? Is it spicy?
Very spicy. I just can't imagine how the 2x spicy would be. The quite essential thing after a spicy meal.
This hot chicken was so spicy that we require ice cream right now. I am
Thank
not
God we had
sure
some.
what will happen after we eat the 2x spicy noodles. So today's verdict, we completed it, but it was very spicy. Let's see how it goes tomorrow.
1 week later.
It was a long time since we were waiting for having a gravy chow mein from our neighborhood stall, and today at last we had it, and we were so hungry after coming from office, so we just finished it off just in a jiffy, and now we don't know what to do.
We are still hungry.
We are still hungry, so now Shani is making the third packet of ramen that we got. Which one are you making, Shani?
I'm making the hot chicken flavor ramen, and I'm still not daring the 2x. It says put noodles in boiling water for 5 minutes, throw away the water, and put
And then
no, we are not going to do that. We will make it like a soupy noodle. Okay, we are
Chalo.
not taking the challenge today.
So we will make the chicken flavor one today. Now we are going to make the ramen. This is the ramen packet.
So this is about 600 ml. Oh, exact 600 ml of
But
water.
if you are not throwing the water, then you should not put the whole of it.
No. It's okay. We
will be too much.
We will drop the egg inside.
No.
We'll egg drop and then some, what do you say, that. We'll put some egg drop and then we'll also put some onions. Put this inside.
Some ginger. Yeah, but I
Chop the onion so that it can just. So we have this nice
sucker.
prestige cookware where you don't have anything to hold the lid. You can just put it here. Magic. And once you have poured the thing inside, just put it like this, and there's one thing like this, you can just take it off. Ha! We put the veggies inside and let it simmer like a little bit cooked for some time. After that, my plan is to put this noodles inside. Let's see what's inside the box. The noodle and I think there are 2 packets. Yeah. This one packet is, I don't know what it is. Something. And we have another packet of that hot chili paste. And I'll put this one, hot shell. So when it goes,
And
this is the
spicy.
recipe that Mariam's kitchen showed. So I am thinking of following her. So that in it goes. Mix the leftover as well. Oh, it's not breaking. Go. Bye. Some jiggling. Ding, ding.
Veggies will be boiled?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now since it is done, and it looks something like this, Shamo will...
I'll try my newly developed skill of breaking the egg with one hand.
Come on!
So don't mind if it doesn't work.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no.
Only
no.
one piece. But it's okay.
And I'll cover it. Actually, we were wrong. In here are some, I can't focus it, really sorry. In here are some nori sheets and some sesame seeds that we'll put inside. I'll take it out.
Helping hand.
So the egg has infused all around and it looks so creamy and thick it is. Come to mommy.
It's too much to have in one bowl.
It's like an ASMR.
Really good.
It's still spicy.
One eternity later.
So here I am back to the kitchen after 3 long weeks, and I did not dare to try this. We did not dare to try this for this long time. Finally,
Today is a bit cool because it's raining here.
exactly, that's the
why
point.
that's why we are venturing out the 2x spicy.
So today is a perfect day to try this out, and just for the sake it does not get too much spicy, we got with us some momos and we are making some bamboo shoots curry along with it. I'll show it to you. So you tell us the details, what it is.
Prawns with bamboo shoot. Like it's a kind of soup, but it's going to be gravy thick and with prawns.
It's like a curry, hai na?
Yeah. So gravy.
It
Now
looks
we are-
delicious. Can you show us which one is the
This is the
bamboo
prawn.
shoot? Yeah.
These are borboti, what you call here.
Long beans.
These are shimla mirch.
I show the
Okay,
Bamboo
bamboo
shoot.
shoot. The bamboo shoot is this one. Yeah, this is the bamboo shoot.
okay.
You get it? This one.
Yeah, that is the bamboo
This is the
shoot.
cross section of the bamboo shoot. Now I'm going to pour the corn flour to make it a thick gravy.
Can you put some more water in it?
Yeah,
Because
this
this
corn flour already has
some more water, some more like.
Check
Oh,
this
okay,
one.
okay, yeah. See, it will turn amazing now. It already
up.
smells so good. The bamboo shoot is really amazing, you know. So okay, on the other hand, I will start making this because we are really hungry after office, and let's get started.
You put it in boiling water. Is the water boiling?
খুব তো আমায় বললি ওয়াটারটা
Yeah,
বয়েল
it's
হচ্ছে
boiling. It's boiling. Boiling, man. Believe me. Should we break this? Break this up? No response from the cameraman.
Cameramans are not supposed to give any response in the show. So now we are watching Para Master Chef, who cannot break a Maggie.
It is not Maggi. This is ramen. Ramens are not meant to be broken.
Oh.
2x.
Oh. or else it will. So this is the spread,
The Asian platter.
and we also have some soup, and we are
Going
Show
to
your-
try the 2x spicy ramen.
I'll try that first. Keeping my fingers crossed. It's hot.
It's normal. Don't take so much together.
In the first bite, it's fine.
Now I'm sweating.
It's very spicy, I dare you. If I'm
My head has started sweating.
If I'm given to eat the entire plate, I can't. By the end of it, I think I will just look at him. Look at his sweat. Oh no.
It comes instantly.
I just hope I can finish it off. Then I'll have the momos.
You need to have something for, intervals. Use divine as usual.
This is the momo from a local restaurant called Heritage in Tripura. Sorry, Agartala. Heritage. It's one of the best places to have momos.
It's a relief. Lips are burning. Why would people have this?
We take it as a challenge. I will never buy this again. I'm very sorry to say. Okay, we'll get back to you.
Better. Send.
Update. I feel horrible right now. To all people who think people can take it as a challenge, yeah, it's fine. If you're taking it as a challenge and finishing it off in 30 seconds or so. But if you're trying to eat it, it's quite impossible. Up here.
Take the lips also. It really works, huh?
Wow.
Really works.
কুচি করলাম winner of the spicy onion challenge.
I want to win.
So our verdict, never have it. You can have all our spicy food of India, even the spicy gongura curry of South India, that is Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, that is way less spicier than this. Okay, thank you. And that's all for today's video. Me Shayoni.
Me Shammu, and thank us later for saving your life.
Signing off. Bye bye.
Bye.